everyone, we're going to prove that cosine of 3 alpha equals 4 times cosine cubed alpha minus 3 times cosine of alpha using sum and difference identities and double angles. And also we're going to use the Pythagorean identity. Alright, so basically we're looking at the left hand side here, and we can write this as cosine of 3 alpha equals, and we can write this as, let's say, alpha plus 2 alpha, or you could switch these around if you want. Anyway, here's the formula for that. So let's expand that, and we're going to get this equals cosine of alpha times cosine, put a dot there, cosine of 2 alpha minus sine of alpha times sine of 2 alpha. Alright, now we have to write everything in terms of cosine. My cosine of 2 alpha, I have 3 formulas for my double angle for cosine, and I want to use just the ones with cosine. So I'm going to use that one because I want to try to get rid of these signs here. So we're going to use substitution. And also our sine of 2 alpha, our double angle for sine, there's only one formula. So using substitution, we're going to get cosine of alpha. Now this one we're going to use 2 cosine squared of alpha minus 1 minus sine of alpha. And then for this one, it's just going to be 2 sine of alpha cosine of alpha. Now let's simplify this. Distribute. You're going to get 2 cosine cubed of alpha minus cosine of alpha minus 2 sine squared of alpha times cosine of alpha. Alright, now from there, let's see what we can do. This is the only problem we're having right here. So we're going to use the fact that sine squared of theta equals 1 minus cosine squared of theta. So we get 2 cosine cubed of alpha minus cosine of alpha minus 2. Now we're going to substitute 1 minus cosine squared of alpha times cosine of alpha. Alright, and from there we can just copy this first part down. Alright, and let's distribute. This is going to be minus 2. And then if you, I'm going to do 2 at once. Multiply cosine plus 2, multiply these 2. Cosine cubed of alpha. Now I'm going to go to the next slide because I'm running out of room, but let's look and see what we have. We have 2 cosine cubes. We have 2 cosine cubes here. That's what gives me the 4 cosine cubes. Then we have negative 1 minus 2 is our negative 3 here. So basically, to finish this up professionally, we can now write that cosine of 3 alpha equals 4 times cosine cubed of alpha minus 3 cosine of alpha. And this will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.